Now let's measure this guy and see just how big or small it is. So it's about 13 inches across when it's folded, and then roughly 9 inches wide. So it's pretty small. And then if you measure the thickest point, it's about 2 inches thick. Okay, so yeah, pretty small and pretty lightweight. Now let's open it up and see what its max length is when it's fully expanded. We are looking at about 41 inches total. So if you're shorter than 41 inches, this probably wouldn't work for you backpacking. Okay, so I'm going to do a test with this. I'm going to plug in my phone here using the Type-C port, and I'm going to connect this thing to my phone and then open it and attach it to my hiking bag and see if it really is like feasible to walk with it on your backpack, because that was kind of a selling point for me.